Zoe,
Bryan,
Freddy, Brittney,
Aiden,
Jazmin,
Sofia. And this is our story.
Y se llamaba El Último Snack en el Picnic. Me llamo KiKi, la última quería en el picnic. Y yo tengo un ponytail. Mis amigos, they got eaten by people. Eran crujientes, funny and sweet. Taylor.
And Brittany.
Oh. Y yo dije, no me comas, please don't eat me, no, no, no. I'm so pretty and so young, oh, oh, oh. I'm so fearful, ¿qué va a pasar? In your stomach no quiero estar. No me coman, please don't eat me, no, no, no. You're so pretty, we could munch you. No, no, please. Oh, they're licking their lips with hunger in their eyes. I gotta leave. Pero just like that, they gobbled me up in their guts. I got stuck.
That
Kit Kat was really good. Y yo dije, no me coman, please don't eat me. No, no, no. No, no, no. I'm so pretty and so young. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. I'm so fearful, ¿qué va a pasar? In your stomach no quiero estar. No me coman, please don't eat me. No, no, no. No, no, no. Wait! This is not how my story ends. I jump around like a little perrito, just look at me. Brinco, brinco, I twist and turn.
I'm feeling sick. Blech. 10 minutes later,
I crawl back out. Here I come out of their mouth. And I said, no me coman. Please don't eat me. No, no, no. Oh. I don't want to do this alone anymore. Yoo-hoo! Desde ese día, I got new snack friends. Hello, my friends.
Like Oreos.
Right.
And Doritos,
Yes,
yay!
here till the end. Play ping pong and just dance too. Listen to Blackpink and T-Swift. Woo!